Hi there, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. So we spoke about support and resistance, right, in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions or any doubts?
I was confused little in that target price and
In target price and
the indicators you showed last lecture.
support and resistance, right? So what's the confusion?
Like to identify the target price.
Okay. So have you opened the account, demat account?
Actually, today I went to the bank and so in Baroda, like I preferred. So evening till evening, they will start the process.
So you can do it online, na? Why you want to do it physically? It will take a lot of time.
So I'll do it online.
Online it will take 2 days only, na? They will quickly open. You have internet banking with you.
Uh, no.
Then it will take a long time actually if you don't have any internet banking, because you have to activate your internet banking first. Even if you want to open it offline, you have to activate your internet banking. So you don't have internet banking in any of the banks activated.
Internet banking means.
So right now I want to see Nifty 50, right? So I'm searching Nifty 50, Nifty 50. So once I click on Nifty 50, then it will open me this chart, right? Fine.
Okay.
So once this chart is open, so this chart will be blank, right? So now how you have to plot the indicator? You have to go to indicators, right? Here you have to search pivot. You just note down, otherwise you will forget, and you have to do it after the class on your PC. Then only you will remember. Otherwise you will forget.
Okay.
So indicators you have to search pivot point standard, right? So once I click on this particular indicator will get plotted here. You can see, right? Now it is plotted on the chart, right? So now you can see certain lines right here, orange lines everywhere, right? So now,
Yes.
so now I will do some drawing here, right? Some change in settings. Once I go to here settings, you can see here, right? Once I go to settings, there is an option called inputs, right? Inputs. So, so I just want to see two support and two resistance. That is why I'm just clicking those two, and rest I am removing it, right? So now you can see only two support and two resistance. Right? So these are the resistance. See, because the price is here, my price is here. So I have explained you that the lines which are on top of the price, they are the resistance here, and the lines which are below the price, these are the support lines. Fine. And this is my price. Price is approximately how much? At 21647 approximately, right? Fine. This is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have a doubt in how to calculate the target price, right? So let's say I have taken a trade here on this candle, right? let's say I have to take a trade on this candle, right? So how I will take a trade? I will take a buy trade on the high of this candle and a short trade on the low of this candle, right? So let's say the next candle crossed the high price of this candle, the previous candle, right? Then I will take a buy trade here. And if it crosses the low price, then I will take a sell trade here. So this is clear, right? Till this point, it is
Yes.
clear, right? Okay. So now if I take a buy trade here, then as per my pivot point, this will be my target.
Okay.
Because this is the first nearest line, right? This is the first nearest line. So that is why my target will be this. And if I take a short trade, then my target will be here. Because this is my first nearest line. Support 1 and this is resistance 1. Fine?
Okay.
Still any doubt?
No.
So this indicator is clear, right? Shall I move to next one?
Yes.
Any other doubt apart from this till this stage?
No.
एक प्रो स्कैल्पर को चाहिए स्पीड, सिंप्लिसिटी और शार्प टूल्स, और ये सब कुछ मिलता है सिर्फ एक जगह, सही ऐप में।
Okay. So now next slide is there are certain softwares or web browsers which you can use to see your charts, right? First one is charting, second is trading view, and third is trend line. So here we are going to talk about only these two, charting and trading view. Trading view I have shown you how to see the chart and how to plot the indicators. Charting is the software wherein which will be used to create the screeners, right? So you have any idea about softwares like have you done any kind of programming or anything like that? Have you done?
Yeah, in 11, 12.
C programming, like basic idea, you know, right? If else condition, all those things, you know, right? You might have done in 11, 12 class. So charting is the platform wherein you have to use the okay. Now coming back to the slide. See, it is shown in this chart also. This is breakout. This is breakout, right? Find this clear, breakout and breakdowns.
Yes.
Now we will focus on patterns, right? So what are patterns? Patterns will be formed using different candles, right? Multiple candles you have to see, and multiple candles will form a pattern, right? So this pattern is called as double top. Double top means the price is going from here till upside and then it come down and again it went the same area, right? These two forms, two peaks, basically two peaks, two mountain peaks, right? So this is called as double top. Okay. And similarly we have double bottom. Double bottom will be like this. We have two valleys, right? Two valleys. This is called double bottom and this is called double top, right? Any doubt?
No.
I will show you in chart. See here. Here, right? You can see double top formed here, right? Right. So you have to learn to identify on the chart. So see, it is easy to show you on the slides and explain you how double top looks like. But once you go on the chart, you have to identify it. How you have to identify in the chart, right? Double top and double bottom. See, this double top. See, this is also double top, right? You can see.
Yes.
So you should learn to identify on the chart. For this, you have to do practice. You have to keep on seeing, checking the charts on daily basis. At least you should spend 1 to 2 hours per day to check the charts. Right. So these are the rare patterns you can see. It is not like that every now and then you will be able to see it, but these patterns are very rare. But whenever it is formed, you can take the trades, right?
I have an excellent business idea for women in 2024. Start an online fashion business from home. It doesn't matter if
Formed, you can take the trades, right? So double top, you have to take a sell trade, and double bottom, you have to take a buy trade. So let's say this is a kind of double bottom, means it's a kind of W, right? So once the price reaches here, then you have to wait for the second bottom. Once the price crosses from here, then you have to take a buy trade here. So you have to wait and watch. Once your price crosses this area, then only you have to take a buy trade. So instead of double bottom, you can call it as a W pattern also, right? And in case of double top, you can call it as a AM pattern, right? So in this, you have to take a sell trade. When you will take a sell trade? Here. Once the price goes here and once it returns here, then here you will take a sell trade. So these things you have to remember. Which pattern, what trade you have to take, and where you have to take that trade. First, you should know to identify the pattern, right? Then you have to plot it on the chart, and then you have to wait for the pattern to get completed, and then you have to take a trade, like buy and sell like that. Right? Okay, we'll see one chart, double top. We'll try to take some targets and stop loss. Okay. So you can see the AM pattern here, right? AM pattern formed.
Yes.
So what you have to do, you have to wait till here, and here you have to take a short trade near this line, right? Sell trade. So once you take a sell trade, your stop loss will be here. This line, right? This line will be your stop loss.
Exactly which line?
This line, wherever you have got the double top. The price you have to check using your cursor. You will put at the candle, then you will find the exact price. But you have to put your cursor here, right, at the top of this M, right? And targets, you can use it like this. This bottom will be your target, this place. You have to draw one line here, and this place will be your target.
Okay.
So stop loss, here you have to sell, and this will be your target. So let's check. So you can check what is the high price of this candle. See this area, right? So high price will be 18091. If I put my cursor here, you can see the high price 18091, right?
Yes.
So 18091, you can add some buffer, maybe 5-10 point buffer, and that will be your stop loss. So maybe 18100, you can keep it as stop loss. 18100, you can keep it as stop loss. And where you will enter? You will take a trade on the low of this candle. Once the low of this candle is broken, see, trade you have to take in the same fashion as we have discussed earlier also, right? This low of the candle. So you have to see the price also, right? The low price is 17771, right?
177.
17771. So this is the LP, low price. So once it goes down below this price, then we will take a sell trade, right? So maybe you can take the sell trade around 750. So 750 will be your entry point, right? You have taken some buffer, right? 1771 is a low price and entry point will be 17750. Around 20 points below I have taken the entry, right? And what will be your target? Target will be your low price of this candle.
Okay.
Why this candle?
Because it is the peak of the.
It's a pullback basically. We don't call it as a peak. It's basically a pullback, right? It's a pullback zone. So this is a pullback zone, right? Pullback zone. We call it, in trading terms, we call it as a pullback zone.
Pullback.
Yeah. So my target will be the low of this candle. What is the low price? 17166, right? 17166. So maybe I will take some buffer and I will keep it around 17170. 4 or 5 point buffer I will keep it, and my target will be 17170. So I took an entry at 17750 and my target is 17170 and my stop loss is 18100, right?
How to make 80,000 rupees from 8,000? Install Walby.
0, right? Any doubt?
No, it's clear.
It's clear, right? See, this is a bit lengthy thing, but once you understand, then you can use it very easily. So at the high of this candle, this is my stop loss. Below low of this candle will be my entry point, and this will be my target point, right? Fine.
Okay.
Because next I will give you to calculate. If you have any doubt, please ask.
Which candle will take the stop loss?
The high. See, you can see the high, whether these three candles will have the high price or these three candles will have the high price. You have to see all the candles, right? See, if I take my cursor here, what is the high price? 17965, right?
Yes.
This high is 17968.
Yes.
This candle is 17992.
Hmm.
This candle is 18088. This candle is 18091. And this candle is 18096. So the highest price is 18096. But I have taken the stop loss at 18100, which is fine.
Okay.
So in this scenario, you can see in this scenario, there are 3 candles here and there are approximately 4 candles here. But it is not
Yes.
like that. In other scenario, it can be 5 candles or 6 candles also. So you have to watch out all the candles high price, and then based on that, you have to put your stop losses.
Okay.
Right?
So
This
we'll take the highest one.
highest one. The highest price, plus you can add some buffer points, maybe 5 or 10 points you can add as a buffer also.
Okay.
So this is clear.
Yes.
And you remember, whichever candle you are taking as a high price, the same candle you have to take as a low price to take the trade.
Okay.
I will explain you how to see. So now you can see the low of the, we have seen high price of all the candles, right? Now we will see the low price of all the candles. Low price is 17833. Here it is 17852. Here is 17710. Here is 17771, right? So this is the lowest price, right, of all the candles.
Hmm.
So we have to take the trade below this point. So that is why I have taken 1771, and my entry will be around 10-15 points below this price.
Okay.
So you have to
So this
see,
is
yeah,
buy
so you
or
have to buy this sell, because this is a double top, right? In case of double top, we have to take a
buy trade.
sell trade. In case of double top, we have to take a sell trade.
Okay.
So this is a sell trade, right? Once the price goes below this line, then we will take a sell trade here.
Yes.
So first you focus on double top trade. Trade will be SL, right? I will give you one thing to see. So this is clear. Shall I rub it?
Yes.
So now I will give you one candle. You can calculate it. Right? See, these two are double tops, right?
Yes.
So this, we have a M formation here, right?
Hmm.
Now you have to see the stop loss, the type of trade we have to take, the entry and the target.
Okay.
So you can see. So this is the highest of the. You just note down all the high prices. See, this is one easy because there are only 2 candles, one on the one peak and second candle on the second side. High price you can note down. Actually, high and low both you note down.
Okay.
And this candle, high and low you note down.
Three reasons why your phone might be infected and you wouldn't even know about it. Number one, it's overheating, even when you're not using it.
Okay.
So now based on the high and low price, first you tell me what will be my stop loss and what will be my entry and what should be my trade. And then after that we will see the target.
Okay. The stop loss will be 15340.
Why? See, the high of this candle is 15431. So your stop loss will be the high of this candle, no? Somewhere 15435 or 440, right? You have to see the highest of the both the candles. The one which is higher, you have to take a stop loss here, right?
So it will be 15336, the highest, like.
No. See, this candle, the price is how much? High price is how much? 15336, right?
15336.
Okay. And this candle, what is the high price?
15431.
Okay. So which is greater?
15336.
Huh?
Sorry, 15431.
This one is
Okay.
greater, right? So that will be a stop loss, na?
Okay, huh.
So you have to take some buffer also here. So maybe you can take 440. 15440 will be a stop loss. See, you have to be pro in maths if you want to learn trading, if you want to trade also, right? This is you are doing offline. Once you start putting your money and trading, then if you do these mistakes, your money will be gone.
I saw the last two digits, so that was 31 and 36.
So you have to see all the digits. If your account balance has certain money, 1 lakh, you have to see it at 1 lakh, not 1,000 rupees. Okay, so 15440 will be a stop loss, and what will be my entry point?
Entry point will be um 15431.
You have noted down all the low prices, right? Okay, so you have identified the stop loss. Now what will be the entry point?
14953.
Right, but you have to take some buffer now. You can take some 10-point buffer, maybe the 14940 you can take your entry point. And now how to identify the target? See, this is will be AM formation, right? So my entry is here. This is my entry. This is my stop loss. And now what will be my target?
The middle one.
Which middle one? Here.
Middle candle.
This candle?
Yes.
In price, what target you will keep it, because this candle is very long, right? So if the candle is long, very long, you can keep 50% of the candle as target, right?
Okay.
50% means till here.
Okay.
Half of the candle, half of the price. That I have explained you how to calculate 50% of the candle, right? High minus low divided by 2. Fine. So this is clear how to calculate the prices in a double top, right?
Okay.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Now we will see double bottom. So here you can see W, right? You can see W here. So this is a double bottom, right? So all the steps will be same as we have done in the previous one. The only thing is that it will be उल्टा. वहां पे ऊपर स्टॉप लॉस था, या नीचे स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा. वहां नीचे टारगेट था, यहाँ ऊपर टारगेट हो जाएगा, राइट?
Okay.
तो ये आप वो कैलकुलेट करके बताइए. ये कैंडल्स हैं, सो इस कैंडल का हाई और लो नोट कर लीजिए.
Okay.
एक ही कैंडल है, लो और हाई नोट कर लीजिए इसको.
And 0, 5. Okay. Done.
एक ही कैंडल है.
So, okay, done.
Okay, now tell the stop loss and the entry price. And this will be a buy trade, right?
Yes. Stop loss will be 10760.
Right?
Because it is the highest, like.
No, मैंने आपको बोला ना स्ट्रेट में उल्टा होगा सारा. वहां पे हाई स्टॉप लॉस था, यहाँ पे लो स्टॉप लॉस होगा.
Okay.
क्योंकि ये उल्टा ट्रेड है, राइट? देखिए वो वाला क्या ट्रेड था हमारा, वो वाला था एम. ये हमारा डब्ल्यू है ना. तो सारी चीजें उल्टी होंगी यहाँ पे. वहां पे हाई स्टॉप लॉस था, यहाँ पे लो, जो सबसे लो होगा वो स्टॉप लॉस होगा यहाँ पे, राइट? लो कितना है?
106 नहीं 10583.
हाँ, 10583 लो है, तो स्टॉप लॉस थोड़ा सा बफर लेके आप 580 के आसपास रख सकते हैं स्टॉप लॉस, राइट? और एंट्री पॉइंट कहाँ पे होगा? जो भी लो कैंडल, जहाँ से जिस कैंडल आपने 2 कैंडल्स लिए, राइट? 2 कैंडल का लो जो भी था वो आपने स्टॉप लॉस लिया. अब 2 कैंडल का जो भी हाई होगा वो आपका एंट्री प्राइस होगा, राइट?
ओके.
क्योंकि वहां पे लो था ना.
ओके.
इसमें भी चार्ट आपको बनाना पड़ेगा, लग रहा है डब्ल्यू.
So the highest will be the entry point and the lowest will be the stop loss. Okay.
ये टेबल नोट कर लिए. टेबल बता देता हूँ, फिर आपको ध्यान रहेगा. ये टेबल बना लीजिए. ये डब्ल्यू पैटर्न है, ये एम पैटर्न है, ये स्टॉप लॉस है, ये एंट्री है. स्टॉप लॉस डब्ल्यू पैटर्न में लो रहेगा और हाई आपका इसमें रहेगा. और डब्ल्यू पैटर्न में एंट्री आपका हाई रहेगा और एम पैटर्न में एंट्री आपका लो प्राइस पे रहेगा.
Okay. Done, sir.
ओके. So stop loss is fine now, and entry is also understood. What will be the target?
Target will be the middle candle.
Which one? This is pattern. Which candle? Tell me.
The plus sign which has a plus sign.